There are numerous filters available to help you viewing your schedule to your liking. Go to Schedule View and click the filter icon here. From the settings form, you can carry out the following filtering. Show only operation staff will filter out any non-operation staff like managers, directors, etc., who are not required to have tasks scheduled for them. This makes the reviewing of the schedule more compact and relevant for operational scheduling. For example, in this case, Amanda Fisher and Anthony Bolton will disappear because they are ranked as managers. Total days allows to change the period reviewed on schedule from 3 days up to 6 weeks. Note that the schedule will shrink and expand to fit your browser window. However, it will only shrink to a level that it will be readable. Therefore, after a certain point, depending on your screen resolution, a horizontal slide bar will appear at the bottom of the page to allow easy navigation. Start Calendar On sets the start date of the calendar, while Departments filter by department. You can select more than one through the drop-down menu. You can select one or more and click Inverse to exclude the selected departments. Note that the filter will show all employees who belong to the selected department, regardless on whether they work on selected department's projects. Also, it will show all employees who work on a selected department's project, regardless on whether they belong to the selected department. Service filter by services. Once again, you can select more than one through the drop-down menu. Project manager filter by project managers, and categories by project categories. Include and exclude users can be used to explicitly include or exclude certain users. As you can see, this is a pretty complicated filter. When filtering your views, you might find helpful to store long and complicated filters like this one. In cases like this, Compass allows to save such filter sets. Click Create, set a filter name, and click Create. You can even include text on the filter set you have created. For example, if you need all projects with the word survey on their name. This filter will be only accessible from your account. However, if you want it available for the entire company, please liaise with your Compass champion in your company. You can find your filters here. There are also some newer features on Compass filtering of the schedule. Let's assume you have employees with several tasks under their name on a set date, like Kyla's Happy Fridays today. As you can see, Compass is trying to stock these tasks in a somehow pleasing way. They are placed by duration. Single-day tasks are lower, while longer tasks are up on top. What if we want to prioritize these tasks so that Kyla would know the sequence to follow? One of the most frequent ways of doing that is color coding the tasks, but when we have that many, colors can be a bit misleading. Instead, we can name each task by priority. So I'll add a 1 prefix on this one, 2 for this, and so on. Then I'll head back on my filters and sort tasks by name. So now Kayla knows that she'll have to work on the top task first and work her way down the list. Finally, you can navigate to earlier or later weeks by using the arrows at the top right of the page. Also, by clicking the calendar icon, you can quickly navigate to specific dates.